You're peering into the Amazon River when suddenly you lose your footing and fall. Piranhas dart about in the rapidly approaching water. So, are you doomed? Will fall trigger a fatal feeding frenzy? To forecast your fate, let's see what you know about these fish. There are more than 30 piranha species, all live in the freshwaters of South America and have a single row of sharp, interlocking teeth on each jaw. They use their teeth in a variety of ways. Many are omnivorous and supplement diets of things like insects, crustaceans, worms, and fish, with fruits, seeds, and other plant matter. Some, like red-berry piranhas, bush hunt as scavenge, and others, like wimple piranhas, have specific dietary predictions, almost exclusively going after other fishes' scales. Species like red-eyed piranhas are more solitary, not while red-berry piranhas form shoals of 10 to 100. Red-berry piranhas are among the most popularly depicted and commonly regarded as especially aggressive. However, their reputation for repetitive pack hunting is misinformed. It's so that the main benefit of their group living isn't cooperative hunting, but instead protection from predators, of which there are many. Larger mature red-berry piranhas tend to assume privileged positions at the shore's center where it's safest, and scientists have observed that red-berry piranhas in the smaller groups breathe faster, probably because they are more anxious. Interestingly, they also communicate by rapidly contracting specialized muscles above their swim bladders. They repeatedly bark when they are facing off with one another or when captured. They make sudden noises when they are aggressively circling each other, fighting or competing for food. And when things escalate further, they chase each other while snapping their jaws together. Researchers suspect that these sounds are just a sampling of their overall repertoire, which might also have some special uses during mating. But when do red-berry piranhas get aggressive with humans? Well, when they do bite people, it seems to mostly happen in the scenarios when they are being handled, when people are spilling food or cleaning their fishing catch in the water, or when people disturb piranhas while the fish are mating or guarding their eggs during the wet season. Starvation stress is also thought to lead red-berry piranhas to increasingly bold, aggressive behavior. And this could theoretically result in feeding frenzies, where each fish tries to get some of whatever finds its way into the water. Despite this kind of behavior being extremely rare, the rumor of it runs is piranha's international infamy, and this was in no small part thanks to a former U.S. President, Theodore Roosevelt. In 1914, he published a best-selling book in which he called piranhas the most ferocious fish in the world, and wrote the scent of blood could incite themselves and wrote that the scent of blood could incite them to rapidly devour the entire cow or human alive. But Roosevelt's account is generally considered circumstantial and misleading. The feeding frenzy he witnessed is suspected to have been the result of people purposely starving the red-berry piranhas, then giving them the opportunity to feed them on cow carcass or to put on an exciting show. But where were we? Yes, falling into piranha-infested water. So, what's your fate? Let's assume these are red-berry piranhas. This being a Amazon River, they should be doing all right for themselves and not starving. Thankfully, you're also not hitting the water alongside a bunch of fish guts, and ideally, you're not disrupting a piranha breeding extravaganza. You're falling, and the piranhas most likely avoid you. Calmly, softly swimming or wading to shore is generally recommended because splashing is thought to attract piranhas. Indeed, they are equipped with the temptation to damage, but rarely attack humans. They usually have better things to eat. As you make your way onto dry land, there is no feeding frenzy when they scrutinize your body within minutes, and upon exiting the water, you're probably pleased to find no chunks of flesh missing.